Hey all my crafty friends, who's ready to start some Christmas crafting? I know I am. I will be trying my best to put out at least 4 videos per week until Christmas, and I think you will love what I have in mind. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my Christmas videos, and if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! In today's video, I will be showing you how I made this custom order Christmas sign. After I was finished sanding, I sprayed rubbing alcohol onto the sign and wiped it down with a rag. This helps to remove all the sand dust from the wood. I then measured and found the center of the sign and made a mark with a pencil. You want to know where the middle is so everything is centered and not lopsided. I started placing the vinyl on the sign, keeping in mind where the middle was. Some of the pieces were large enough that I didn't use transfer tape, but other pieces I had to. And now for my little secret. When I do any vinyl sign, I always place a thin cloth on the item and use my iron. This helps the vinyl to stick better and gives the piece more of a hand-painted look. After the first try, I still didn't like the way the vinyl was laying, so I ironed the sign again. It's funny that I'll use an iron on my signs, but I'll toss a shirt back into the dryer 3 or 4 times to get the wrinkles out. I really hate to iron. You really can't tell it on here, but the vinyl has actually melted into the creases of the sign. This is what gives it more of a hand-painted look than just sticking the vinyl on. This is what the final product looks like. I hope my customer loves it as much as I do. I may have to make another one just for myself. Leave me a comment if you have any tips or tricks when it comes to making vinyl signs. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be publishing a lot more Christmas crafts in the weeks to come. If you want to be notified when I upload a new video, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.